Hi there, and welcome to this video where we're going to explore the techniques of Neville Goddard and how you can use them to manifest your desires. Neville Goddard was a prominent spiritual teacher, and his teachings have helped countless individuals manifest their desires. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of his techniques and show you how you can use them to manifest your desires. The first technique that Neville Goddard teaches is the power of imagination. He believed that everything that we experience in our lives is a result of our imagination. He taught that our imagination creates our reality and that we have the power to change our reality by changing our imagination. In order to use this technique, you need to begin by imagining your desire as if it has already happened. You need to see yourself already in possession of your desire and feel the emotions that come with it. The second technique that Neville Goddard teaches is the law of assumption. He believed that if we assume that something is true, then it will become true. This means that we need to act as if our desire has already been fulfilled. We need to live in the end result and act as if it has already happened. This technique requires faith and belief, but if you can truly believe that your desire has already been fulfilled, then it will manifest into your reality. The third technique that Neville Goddard teaches is the power of affirmations and visualization. He believed that by repeating affirmations and visualizing our desires, we can impress our subconscious mind and attract our desires into our lives. The key to this technique is to use positive affirmations and to visualize your desire as if it has already happened. You need to see yourself already in possession of your desire and feel the emotions that come with it. The fourth technique that Neville Goddard teaches is living in the end. This means that you need to focus on the end result of your desire rather than the process of getting there. You need to see yourself already in possession of your desire and feel the emotions that come with it. By living in the end, you are creating the reality that you want to experience. The final technique that Neville Goddard teaches is letting go. This means that once you have imagined and visualized your desire, you need to let go and trust that it will manifest in your reality. You need to have faith and belief that your desire is already on its way to you. By letting go, you are releasing any resistance or attachment to the outcome and allowing the universe to bring your desire to you. So there you have it. 5 techniques of Neville Goddard that you can use to manifest your desires. By using these techniques, you can tap into the power of your imagination and create the reality that you want to experience. Remember, it takes faith, belief, and persistence to manifest your desires, but if you can truly believe in the power of these techniques, then you can create the life of your dreams. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best in your manifestation journey.